Shit. Come on, which way are you facing? I need to know. Facing me, so go that way. There we go. I see you there, Gappy. All right, going pitch dark. See if we can see that light now. I got shit snapping and walking all around me right now already. Been going dark trying to do this. Can you see the light at all? I'm good. Yeah, you can see it. All right, laser grid working. Man, I am not liking this sun. I had something walking right behind me and this fucking shit right back here, dude. I don't know what the hell it was, but it was not cool. And then that freaking bird call. There's all the shit. So laser grid. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Trying the laser grid. You're able to see the laser grid. What's up, everybody? I'm out in the freaking witching woods just testing out a laser grid. Put up a laser grid to try to catch some wind go, but kind of hard to see. I don't know if y'all can see it any better than I can, but what I was going to do, so you know, Shark, I was thinking about setting up a stream out here. Set it up and go walk in my car and get on the other account and watch the stream from the car in the safety. Set up this in a freaking tablet with some Necrophonics on it. Dude, oh man, if y'all could see this, the moonlight coming across this haze. Can y'all see it in front of the laser? The haze with the moonlight? Oh wow, that's crazy. Jesus, that's beautiful, but it's beautifully scary too. I don't have any extra equipment on me, guys. I just was setting up this laser. I didn't want to bring all the extra stuff because I had to carry out quite a bit of stuff to get this laser up. I don't know how good the laser's working. I can see it through the thing sometimes. Right there I can see it through this. It might be a bust, but it's okay. It's worth a try. See if we can get any sounds like we had earlier. All right, you say you can see it really good, son? I'll give y'all an update on the cross, all right? That was the first thing I checked out when I came out here. And it was kind of a creepy-ass revelation, all right? So when I left, I got everything. I packed up everything. I didn't leave until I got everything. And I didn't touch the cross. Y'all were with me. Most of the people that were on the live stayed with me until the end. So I didn't touch anything. I left that cross alone. And let me show you what it did. Back here, what has this been? 2 nights? It's been at least 2 nights. 1 night or 2 nights, I don't know. Anyways, we're going back here to it. I wish I would have brought some kind of equipment with me, but I didn't bring nothing but that laser grid. Damn it. All right, here we go. Here's the cross. Can y'all see that? Look at that. It's broke. It's like something stepped on and broke it. It's literally broke right there. Try to get a better angle. It was still here, but it got broke. Like something came back and checked on it. Stepped on it and crap. I don't know. Pretty crazy. The noises that we heard. All right, so there was like owl that went woo woo woo, and then there was a noise. Forgive my bad sound effects because my voice is still raw, guys. I was trying to get the noise, but it won't let you record when you're on the phone. So I couldn't get a recording of the noise. Anyways, the only reason why I came back here was to set up the grid and test if you could see it on the lives or not, but I don't know how good y'all can see it. I'll have to go back and look at whatever. Gabby, if you could do a quick screen record for me, let me see what it looks like when I get back over there. Then that way we'll know if it's worth leaving up or if I should take it all down and take it with me. saw a bat. Oh, bat. Okay. Gotcha. You heard it. Alright. Yeah, I went to my backup account because I didn't have any equipment. This was just surely a test on how crazy I can be. Actually, to be honest with y'all, I was kind of nervous coming back out here after that last live. It's yeah, I don't care. I come out here, I don't give a shit. I'll do it. I got my hesitation, but you know, I just push through. All right, so here's where, right here, this is where the grid is. I got it set up through here. I got it literally set up on a post up off the ground so nothing can step on it or knock it down easily. Need to get a trail camera and put that up here too. Get a trail cam. All right, turning the light off. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Light off. Here it is. Screen record if you can for the test. This is a test of my generic attempt at a laser grid. Oh, it looks trippy. You can see it on the objects that are really close up. So let me see something. Thank you. Let me walk in a little ways and see how it looks when I'm standing in it. All right, see that right there, guys? This is the palm tree. I'm in it a couple of feet. I went in about 6 feet. Let's look and see how it looks. Complete dark, guys. I'll try to hold still so I'll move out of the way too. Not so great. You sent me the video already. Thank you, son. I can see that. I can see it pretty good when I'm actually going this direction. Well, but the problem is I'm in the grid. Shadows? Oh boy. Yeah, so looking at the camera, that's the laser. I have it set up on a post. And this is where it's projecting to. All in here. Kind of looks like stars. And I hear stuff moving around. See if I can focus the screen at all. Nope, it's in my self likes. I don't know what that was about. TikTok universe, something or another. Oh shit. Did y'all fucking hear that? Hey! Alright. Laser grid, you're gonna stay tonight. Did anybody hear that weird noise? I heard a whee! I got my 40 with me, so I'm good. Me and my 40s. You know what I'm saying? Sound like a guy. Yeah, it did sound like a guy. But what the fuck is a guy doing way out here? Alright, I'm gonna move out of the way. And it sounded pretty close too, actually. Like I said, you can, if I stay really still, you might be able to hear that. It sounds like there's a factory or something humming in the background. All right, so I heard a noise earlier, which I would think it was a cat. So yeah, I think that was like a bobcat noise, the noise, but that whee was weird. Let's go to the sound for a minute. I'll go as far as I can in these woods towards the sound and see what's up. Every time the sound, I got the grid set up over there, right? But the sound is over this way. Maybe I need to move the grid over this way. The only reason why I didn't move the grid over here is because it's so freaking like closed in. All right. Bear with me, guys. Folklore's for Mexico, and they sent me a video on it where, like, this Catholic church was trying to sing the owl out of the church because they think it has like a witch spirit in it. So it was kind of an interesting video. I thought it was pretty neat. That was from Creepy Portal, or Creep Portal. That was an awesome video. Thank you for sharing. I went further last time. I don't know how I got there this time though, because they're... All right. Anyways, this wasn't going to be a long live. This is mainly just a test for my main account. I just chose to pick the backup account to try to test things because I don't have as many followers, and a lot of times people don't join in on it very good. % battery left, guys. I didn't bring any of my backup equipment. I straight up just came out here to set up that light, that laser grid. I need to bring a machete and try to clear a little bit of a better path. What's really wild is one of my buddies told me that you could ride an ATV back here, but I don't know what kind of ATV he's riding unless it's a dirt bike. That'd be about the only thing I could get back here. See what y'all are saying. Thank you for the follow. Sorry about this. I didn't bring any equipment. I'm just actually out in the Witching Woods trying to set up a laser grid. If it's a witch, I want to catch a witch. If it's a Wendigo, Bigfoot, or even skinwalkers. Which, to the contrary to belief, skinwalkers and Wendigos are somewhat different. They're not exactly the same thing. Skinwalkers were actually shaman of the Native American tribes that made themselves shapeshifters to help protect the lands. And skinwalkers, that's what a skinwalker was. Skinwalker was a shaman. I'm sorry. Skinwalkers are shamans that changed to help protect the land. And then Wendigos were actually Native American warriors that, from the folklore I know of it, they went out on a hunt and basically got themselves trapped, and they started to live off the land and transform themselves into whatever kind of shape-shifting creatures they are now. So it's kind of the story I understood of it. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that, but that's the way the story was told to me when I was a younger kid. So, can y'all see that grid at all? Is it like coming in at all where I'm standing? I can see it barely. Thank you, Gappy. We got 11 people. I did not expect that many people to show up on here. Well, welcome everybody. This was just a test. Maybe we'll hear some more crazy noises. Even if it is just somebody yelling in the background. I don't know what that was. We'll mark it up as a human yelling because I can deal with that better. You hear that, guys? Over in that direction, I heard a noise. Oh, we got some. When I stand in the quiet, let me put the light away for a little bit, and we'll listen for just a few minutes. Every time I put the light away and we stand quiet, I start hearing stuff move around. very faintly. Sound like a bird. Yeah, it does sound like a bird. I agree. Thank you for the likes, everybody. Once again, I was just testing testing this laser grid out. I was hoping that it would show up better. Do an owl sound and see what happens. I'll do my best. Don't laugh. Whoo, whoo, whoo! I've been watching some Bigfoot documentaries. I could try to do my Bigfoot calling a little bit. All right, so if y'all see any of those dots like fade out, that means something came out in front of that dot. So if you see a dot that fades out, let me know, because it's like means something passed by it. Yeah, Bigfoot does howl. We were doing it when I went on the walk around Lettuce Lake Park. A local news channel in Tampa Bay area did a story that a man captured some footage of a Bigfoot out at Lettuce Lake Park. So I took the kids out there and we walked the trails and we were making all kinds of howling noises. It was fun. They had a blast. Blair Witch. Hey, thanks for the likes, Blair Witch. Appreciate it. Whoo, whoo, whoo. Something in the tree. Do y'all get any kind of a silhouette of that tree? No. All right, let me throw this flashlight on it because there's something in that tree right now. Up in this tree, there's literally something crawling around. Maybe a squirrel, maybe an owl moving. You know what, guys? I've actually become accustomed to the freaking necrophonics sounds. And it's a lot less scary with the necrophonic sounds going, believe it or not. Standing out here in the dead quiet and the dead dark is more nerve-wracking. Oh shit, there goes some more cracking back there. I need to find a piece of wood and do like a wood knock. See if I could get a response from a wood knock. User 6098, you heard something? You want me to turn the laser off? Is that what you're saying, Shark? Turn the laser off completely? All right, hang on, we'll turn this laser off in a minute. There we go, complete darkness. Things are moving around behind me. I know y'all can't tell, but I'm turning around to look. Okay. My eyes are adjusting. I'm starting to be able to see through the tree lines into whatever open light space there is. All right, let's go back laser for a minute. Now that grid might show up better. How about that grid? Is that easier to see? It's got bigger patches on it. Damn, shit's moving around like crazy, guys. Whatever that yo was, I don't want it to come up on me, though. Listen. That way. Straight ahead of me. Something's moving through the woods right straight ahead of me. You can't see the grid at all? Can you see it like that, or was it better the old way? Oh, fuck, I just heard something big. Probably a bobcat. I wouldn't disagree. Better dark. A bear. I haven't seen bears around this part in a long time. Anyways, just for the test, that's pretty much it. What does that say? I don't know what that means. I don't know what a moonstruck is. Deer, bobcat, boar. Yeah, it could be boar. There's a lot of boar around this area. That is for sure. It's definitely cold because just sitting here talking to y'all, it's like throwing all kinds of like smoke into the shit. What the fuck? I heard that. All right. There's definitely like a factory or something. Now it's completely quiet. I hear like something backing up. But it sounds like it's a long ways away. I wonder what it would look like if we put it this direction. Dude, I so hear something. It's the only reason why I haven't shut it down yet is I can hear something moving around big time. I kind of like the light facing this way because it gives a good grid. Can y'all actually see that better now with the grid the way it is? Very big flashlight. Well, the biggest flashlight I got is this one. I wish I had a bigger one. Maybe through some, damn it, did y'all hear that? Something moved after I put the light over that direction and it moved slightly away from it. What the fuck is that? There's a fucking eye flash back there. What is that, guys? I know it's an eye flash because it's with the flashlights hitting it. It's got plenty of wildlife, I agree, Shark. Whatever that is, it's about, there's the ground, and it's up off the ground. What would you say? That's about 5.5, 6 foot tall? About 6 foot tall, so it's close to my height. Move closer. All right, we'll do that. Oh shit, it's a spider. Okay. It's a spider's web. Okay, it's got something in the spider's web. Good call, good call. Let's go out this way and see what's up. And then I'll call it quits. This is the area I came to last time and I seen this head poke around